Hello dear students, you will see the series of 400 multiple choice questions of science and technology for standard 10th class. Now let us see the 20 multiple choice questions of the chapter Refraction of Light. Question number 1. Light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called dash. Option A, dispersion of light. B option, scattering of light. C, refraction of light. And D, reflection of light. Correct answer is option C, refraction of light. Question number 2. The velocity of light is dash dash in different media. A option, same. B, different. And C, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Correct answer is option B, different. The velocity of light is different in different media. Question number 3. When a ray of light passes through a glass slab, a refraction of light occurs dash dash. A, once. B, twice. C, thrice. And D, many times. The correct answer is that option B, twice. When rays of light are incident on a glass slab, then the incident ray and emergent ray are dash dash to each other. Option A, perpendicular. B, parallel. C, opposite. And D, concurrent. Correct option is that option B, parallel. Question number 5. A ray of light makes an angle of 30 degree with the surface of glass slab. Its angle of incident will be dash dash. A option, 30 degree. B, 60 degree. C, 90 degree. And D, 45 degree. Correct answer is option B, 60 degree. Question number 6. Which statement is incorrect regarding law of refraction? Option A, incident ray, refracted ray and the normal are in the same plane. B, the value of angle of incidence and the angle of refraction are the same. Option C, a line drawn perpendicular to the point of incidence is called normal. And D, incident ray and refracted ray are on the opposite sides of the normal. Answer is the option B, the value of angle of incidence and angle of refraction are the same. This is the incorrect statement regarding the law of refraction. Question number 7. Choose the correct statement. When a light ray incident perpendicularly while entering a glass slab from air, it dash dash. Option A, bends toward the normal. B, returns back into air. C, goes straight without bending. And D, goes away from the normal. The correct answer is option C, goes straight without bending. Question number 8. Due to dash dash, light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Option A, change in color of light. B, change in frequency of light. C, change in velocity of light. And D option, change in brightness of light. The correct answer is that option C, change in velocity of light. Question number 9. N is equal to dash dash. This law is called Snell's law. Option A, sin R divided by sin I means N is equal to sin R divided by sin I. B option, sin I divided by sin R. C option, sin E divided by sin R. And D option, sin E divided by sin I. Answer is option B, sin I divided by sin R. Means N is equal to sin I divided by sin R is the Snell's law. Question number 10. If the refractive index of air with respect to glass is 2 by 3, what is the refractive index of glass with respect to air? Option A, 2 by 3. B 3 by 2, C 1 by 3, and D 1 by 2. The correct answer is option B 3 by 2. Question number 11. The process of separation of light into its component color while passing through a medium is called the dash dash. A. Scattering of light, B. Dispersion of light, C. Refraction of light, and D. Reflection of light. The correct answer is option B. Dispersion of light. Question number 12. Dash dash color is at the top of the spectrum when light disperses through prism. Option A. Red, B. Yellow, C. Violet, and D. Green. Correct answer is option A. Red color is at the top of the spectrum. Question number 13. Which phenomenon is not occur in rainbow formation? A option scattering of light, B dispersion of light, C refraction of light, and D total internal reflection of light. Correct answer is option A scattering of light. When rainbow formation, scattering of light is not takes place. Question number 14. Dash dash color shows maximum deviation when light is dispersed through prism. Option A red, B yellow, C violet, and D green. Correct answer is option C violet. Question number 15. Dash dash is the reason for the twinkling of stars. Option A explosions occurring in stars from time to time. Option A explosions occurring in stars from time to time. B absorption of light in the Earth's atmosphere. C motion of stars. And D changing refractive index of atmospheric gases. Correct answer is changing refractive index of the atmospheric gases. Question number 16. Question number 16. We can see the sun even when it is little below the horizon because of dash dash. Option A scattering of light, B dispersion of light, C refraction of light, and D reflection of light. Correct answer is option C refraction of light. Question number 17. Mirage is the effect of atmospheric dash dash on a small scale. Option A scattering, B dispersion, C refraction, and D reflection. The correct answer is option C refraction. Question number 18. The actual position of the star is slightly dash dash than the apparent position of the star. Option A higher, B lower, C nearer, and D further. Option A is the correct answer, higher. Question number 19. All the incident light gets reflected back into the water medium is called dash dash. A option total internal reflection of light, B partial reflection of light, C dispersion of light, and D irregular reflection of light. Correct answer is option A total internal reflection of light. Question number 20. Which statement is incorrect regarding total internal reflection of light? Option A. Angle of incidence is larger than the critical angle. All the incident light gets reflected back into the denser medium. C. When light enters a rare medium from denser medium, it gets partially reflected. Correct answer is when light enters a rare medium from a denser medium, it gets partially reflected. This is the incorrect statement regarding total internal reflection of light. In this way, we have learned 20 questions on chapter refraction of light. I hope that these 20 questions are helpful for your examination. Thank you.